Hi guys, welcome to Tech Bro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make coupons on Wix. So let's go to the Wix dashboard first. Then you have to click on site and mobile app. Just don't click, hover up your mouse on this and it will be you'll find website and SEO. Don't click, just hover up your mouse. Then you'll find website. Click on website. Now you will find on top a search bar. You have to write here coupon. Now you'll find here this option bulk coupon generator. Click on this. Now click on add to site. Click on agree and add. Hold on, sorry, it's taking time. After that you have to put here your email address and business name. You have to write here your business name. Add your coupon prefix like flash sale. Flash sale coupon. Now click on next. Now click on add create a coupon set. Now you have to write your coupon name here. I'm writing here test just to show you, and you'll find here can be applied in app stores. Now you can see here flat discount, percentage, free shipping. Which coupon do you want? I'm choosing the first one, flash discount. Now you'll find here discount value 5. You can add your discount value here. Applies to all product. Apply the only lowest priced item. You can choose both one of this. Apply to every relevant item in order. You can change the coupon date here. Coupon date will be valid till these days. Then the app will generate the unique codes. Flash coupon sale, number random character 7. After that you have to click on generate coupons. Hold for some seconds. So after that you can see your coupon has been created here. Okay. Now if you click on view coupon, click on this. Then you'll find here that your coupon has ready. Okay, you can download it from here. So this is how you can make a coupon on Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.